AntPrint high-speed one-pass UV printer. Full length of 4.5 meters. Printable width of 65 centimeters. Maximum printing speed of 300 square meters per hour. Adopting advanced magnetic levitation technology, it can minimize noise during printing and can carry higher speeds. At the same time, it has the advantages of no lubrication, low power consumption, clean and pollution-free. Secondary ink cartridges make ink supply faster and more stable. Can be equipped with 4 multiple high-quality industrial original nozzles. Independent control of ink channel switch. Configured with AI Intelligent Visual Positioning System. Stable lighting system, equipped with independent fan heat dissipation. Secondary ink cartridge negative pressure system ensures that the ink remains stable during printing by precisely controlling the negative pressure and response time, thereby improving the printing quality and equipment stability. Independent LED UV lamp cooling system. Two independent UV lamps, comprehensive and fast curing of patterns. CMYK4 color ink output, making the colors more colorful. The operator can place your products on the platform arbitrarily and randomly. With the help of visual positioning, you can simply and easily draw and set the pictures or texts you need to print. You can print the same pattern on each product. You can also print different patterns on each product. Visual positioning plus magnetic levitation high-tech easily help you achieve high precision and fast printing. High precision and accurate printing. Ornipus UV printer carries multifunctional, multi-industry, and multi-field service equipment with stable performance, good precision, fast speed, and long life. It is suitable for circuit boards, plastic boards, sustainable cardboard, paper bags, envelopes, stand-up pouches, boxes, napkins, tags, coasters, greeting cards, postcards, carton box, corrugated box, advertising processing, handicrafts industry, decorative painting industry, mobile phone shell color printing and other industries, and can completely replace traditional human art processes such as screen printing, pad printing, transfer printing, water transfer printing, offset printing and so on. Give full play to its advantages and reduce enterprise costs.